Hello kids, today I am draw shapes. First I am draw a circle. Second I am draw a square. Third I am draw a triangle. Now I am draw a rectangle. Yellow color.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for
Green color.
one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full.
Red color.
For my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool?
Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master,
Blue color.
for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Audio Jungle.